Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. In this video, I'll show you the brand new, latest method to install KSign on iOS devices and how to use it to install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad, completely without APC and without jailbreak. This works on iOS 16, iOS 17, iOS 18, and even the latest iOS 26. I'm personally testing it right now on iOS 18.6. Let's get started. First, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then open Safari, and then open Skibidi Tech website. I will put the website link in the description. Then simply hit on Download Skibidi, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iOS device. Now open Setting. Then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see Skibidi Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Simply open the Skibidi Tech app. When you open the Skibidi Tech app first time, it will open some ads. Simply close the Skibidi Tech app, and then reopen it again. Do it 6 times, and then when you will open Skibidi Tech 7th times, then you will see it will open without any ads.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
Now, when you open the Skibidi Tech app, you will see different KSign links. Simply hit on Get on the first KSign link, and then hit Install to install KSign in your iPhone or iPad.
Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive, we would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud.
Once KSign is installed in your iOS device, now open Setting, then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let KSign work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see KSign app will start working properly. Now to install IPA file, we need to add certificate in KSign app, but this KSign has already inbuilt certificate, so we don't need to import any certificate in it. Now simply hit on plus sign on top, and then hit on Import Files, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Open. Now hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit on Import to Library. Now hit on Library, and then hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit Sign and Install. Then hit on Start Signing.
And how careless we could be.
Now simply hit Install to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. And that's it. You now have KSign installed and can install IPA files on iOS 16, iOS 17, iOS 18, and iOS 26 without jailbreak or a computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check the description for all the links and updates. See you in the next one.